Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to customize user interface and toolbars of the Solidworks. So let's start with the command manager. So if you don't want to use command manager, you can deactivate it. How to do it? Right click on the command manager and you can disable command manager. So now you will not be able to see command manager. So if you want to bring it back, then right click on the title bar or somewhere around title bar and enable command manager. If you want to display more tabs, then right click on it, tabs, and you can activate different tabs here. So for example, if I want to activate direct editing, I click on it, you can see direct editing here. There are some workbenches that are not available right now. For example, I'm clicking SolidWorks add-ins, and if I want to activate flow simulations, then I will activate the SolidWorks simulations. It will take some time. Now you can see it here. That is simulation tab available right now. So this is your simulations. Here you can perform all FEA simulations. If you want to activate flow simulations, then that is SolidWorks flow simulations. It will also take some time. Now you can see flow simulation. So here you can carry out almost all type of flow simulations. And if you activate more workbenches, then it will take more time to start the SolidWorks. So I'm deactivating right now, pressing simulations and flow simulation again. Next, if you want to add physical toolbars instead of command manager, then you can add it from here. For example, let's say I want feature toolbar, and this is a feature toolbar. As you can see it, this is a physical toolbar instead of command manager. If you do not want to use command manager, then you can use this type of physical toolbar. You can activate n number of toolbars from here, or just press customize and select whichever physical toolbar you want. Let's say, for example, right now I activated features. I'm activating fastening features, or let's say MBD. Then you can see this is the fastening features, this is MBD, this is feature toolbar. So you can use these tools as well instead of command manager. But I'm very much comfortable with the command manager, so I'm activating command manager again. You can activate command manager from here as well. So if you do not want to use large buttons in command manager, you can deactivate them, and you can see just small icons. It will increase your design space. I'm reactivating large buttons. Other than that, you can change icon size as well from here. Let's say I'm using the largest one right now, so you can see the sizes of the icon will increase. I'm not comfortable with this large icon. I'm happy with the small icon. So when you change the resolutions or icon sizes, there might be some resolution problem in the SolidWorks, and that's okay. When you restart the SolidWorks, it will be resolved. Now next is, so here you can see all tabs available in the SolidWorks. These maroon tabs are not hidden right now. You can activate them by right clicking on them. I'm pressing cancel. Now, If you want to add one more tab here, or you can add your own commands and you want to create new tab, then also it is possible. Just right click on it, press customize, and at the end, can you see this N? It is called new tab. So when you press new tab, either you can add any physical toolbar and convert them into the tabs, or you can create empty tab. Let's say I'm giving name is personal, and if I want to add some commands or tools into that particular tab, then we need to go into the commands. So this is the all tools available in the SolidWorks. You can add as many as you want in your own personal tabs. So let's say I'm randomly adding a couple of them, or you can use any, for example, and you can create your own tabs like this. I'm pressing OK, so you can see your own tab. So if you want to add more commands, or if you want to remove it, some of the command from them, then press customize, go to commands, and just drag and drop, it will be removed. Or if you want to delete the whole tab, then press right click on it and delete. Now you have deleted all personal commands or tab. You cannot change or delete the default command manager, but you can add or remove command as you like it. So for example, if I want more commands in feature at the end of it or somewhere in between, then also I can do it. For example, let's say into feature and I want to add some random command like grid system, then also I can add it. Or if I want to remove it, just drag and drop. Now next we have, if you want to place this command manager somewhere else, like for example on the left side or on the right side, that also possible. So I'm dragging this command, and now this command manager is free. So whenever I press at the top and I drag it, you can see 3 arrows at the top, on the left and on the right. So just press your or move your mouse towards this arrow and press it on, and now you can see your command manager at the left side. Similar way you can place it on the right side as well if you are comfortable. I'm placing on the top. I'm comfortable with that. Now next, if you want to add some commands on your heads up toolbar, that also possible. The same way, just go to customize, go to commands, and whichever command you like to place it here, you can do it. For example, I like isometric and normal view command, then I will search from here as well. Let's say isometric. So this is your isometric command. I'm just drag and drop here. Now you can see it here. I do not want this flyout toolbar, so I remove it. I just want normal isometric tool. I will explain later what is flyout toolbar. Next, I want normal view. So this is the normal to or normal view command. You can place it like this. You can search from here, or you can visit any toolbar that you like. For example, this is view, and you can find it isometric from here as well, or standard view, and you can find isometric. This is normal too. This is how you can adjust heads up toolbar. Now next, if you want to customize S menu toolbar, when you press S key, you can see this S menu toolbar. You can customize this toolbar as well. Now there are two ways to customize it. For example, when I press right click on it, you can see customize, and it will open the same customize toolbar just like a previous one. Or you can press or select customize on the command manager and go to shortcut bars. Now you can see here part design shortcut toolbar. Similar way you can access for assembling, drawing, and sketch. Now let's add some commands into the part design workbench. For example, I like to add pattern. So I will go to the features and let me add some pattern commands. For example, I want linear pattern and I want circular pattern. You can add command like this as well. Now there are two types of toolbar available. One is like the single command, or another is a flyout toolbar. Now what is the difference between these two commands? So here you can see this command with the down arrow. This is called flyout toolbar. It means it has some more command in it, a similar type of. For example, I'm adding this extrude right now. As you can see, this is a single command. But if I add extrude from flyout toolbar, then it will be a little bit different. For example, let me search from, I'm selecting all toolbars and I'm selecting extrude. Or you can select whole wizard. I think it might have, no, it is a single command. So let me search some more command, flyout toolbar. So I'm adding, for example, let's say this is the standard view. So the standard view has all the standard views available in the SolidWorks, like front view, top view, side view. And if you add one single view, for example, let's say standard views, and this is the front view. So this is a single command and this is the flyout toolbar. I will show you what the difference when I press S. You can see different commands into it. So this is called flyout toolbar and this is a single command. So that's the difference between flyout toolbar and single tool. In a similar way, you can add or customize, for example, sketch toolbar as well. In a similar way, for example, I want to add sketch, I can add it. So you have 4 toolbars available for part, assembly, drawing and sketch. You can customize them as per your requirement and preferences. So I am removing right now, just drag and drop. In a similar way, I am adding, removing, for example, this standard to use whole, and I am pressing OK. If you do not want this physical toolbar, drag it and close it. Now, if you want to customize mouse gestures, this is mouse gestures, then also go to customize and here you will see mouse gestures. Now, this is the mouse gesture guide. You can select from here how many number of commands you want or tools from it. And let's say I'm keeping 12. So you can see 12 tools for part, sketch, drawing and assembly. You can customize them by drag and drop in a similar way just like before. So for example, if I want some more command, I will go to the commands, mouse gestures. I will search from here, or let's say first I do not want this particular pen, I remove it. So that place will be available for some other commands. So let me select, for example, save, and I will put it here in the save. In a similar way, you can edit whole mouse gestures for part or sketch or other workbenches. You can use this print as well, and you can stick it to your wall for your own reference. And if you want to disable mouse gestures, then also you can do it. If you want, select these particular options. So I want mouse gestures, I will keep it. And I will use it with the 4 gestures. In a similar, if you want just 2, either vertical or horizontal, then also it is possible. Or horizontal. I'm okay with 4. So this is how you can add mouse gestures. If you are not sure how to go back to the previous view or previous settings, then just press reset to defaults. It will reset everything. That's how you can customize mouse gestures. Now next is, if you want to customize context menu, this one, then also press right click on it and customize. You will see this graphic area toolbar or context menu, and let's say if I want to add some folder here, then I can do it. You can add n number of tools here. I'm just randomly dragging and dropping. In a similar way, you can use this particular. I'm pressing OK, and when I press right click, you can see it is modified. So that's how you can edit context toolbar. Right now, this particular document is set with the mmgs. Sorry. The unit of this particular document, I'm sorry, it's a document properties and units. So default right now is a millimeter gram second. You can change it from here. And remember, these particular settings will apply to this particular document only. You can change how many decimals you want in your dimensions. You can change it from here. In a similar way for dual dimensions and angle, you can change the dual dimensions as well. Which other dimension you want or unit you want, you can change it from here. So this is it for the unit system. Now next, if you want to change the system colors, for example, I'm going to system option right now and colors. So here you can change any color that you want. For example, let's say I want to change icon color from the default to classic. I'm pressing OK. I think so. This is a yellow and green is a classic color of Solidworks. In a similar way, you can change the background as well. If I want dark, then I will use dark. So this is the dark background. This is applicable to the command manager and other toolbars only, not in the design space. So now let me get back to my previous colors. For example, I want to use light and default. And if you want to change background, there are a couple of ways to change background. First of all is from here. You can change background from here, let's say, or you can place your own image as well. Let's say I'm going to press OK, and you can see the background is already changed. I'm setting with the use. Okay, and you can change your background from here as well. If you want just plain white, then use plain white. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.